Hey Celavelas, welcome back to my channel. So I am on my way to get my hair did, and I get my hair cut at Sandro in Greenstone usually, but the guy that does my hair, Mike, who's also one of the co-owners, is at their new branch, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's see what he does to this. Let's go. Okay, we are here. I'm gonna put my bangra off. I'm here. I'm not too sure where exactly the shop is because it's it's in a new mall, but let's do that. Let's go see where it is. Okay guys, this is Flamingo Mall, and as you can see, there's not much signage that's up, but that is where Sandro is, and I'm gonna take you guys in and along with the process to say bye bye to my lovely hair. Let's do this. So that's how long my hair is now, and I curled it like 2 days ago, so it still looks like that. And guys, this is Sandro. This is their new store in Flamingo Mall. I'll leave all the details below, and make sure you come here and ask for Mike. He always cuts and colors my hair, or you can ask for Des. You want to tell them your plan of action before you start? It's very white.
Okay, so firstly what we're going to do is we're going to lift some of Selina's hair. We've also put in something to protect it so that it doesn't dry out and leave it all dry. I've got 2 levels of developer, and that entails is going to give it the smooth transition from darker towards the lighter. Okay, let's begin.
And also, I have a lot of Indian followers, so when you see you're gonna get your hair blonde and it ends up looking like this, that's not blonde. Please, like, invest in your hair. It's your best accessory, and like I said for the 3rd time now, Mike, get your color done with Mike. It's not supposed to look orange if you want blonde.
Look what's come up.
Here it is.
Oh wow.
Part of it.
Are you getting it for yourself?
For my YouTube channel.
Oh wow. Awesome. Right. It's got a bomb. You can go.
You wanna say hi? Linksfield. Hi guys. Sandro in Linksfield if you can't go to Green Valley, or where are we? Flamingo. You can go to Linksfield.
This is where you lay down.
So now this is done, and we are just gonna let it marinate for a while. Yeah, it took us like just a little over an hour, which is a lot quicker than it usually takes because my hair is so thick and so long. But here's the hers that I will be taking to. It looks so weird. Yo, that's the hair that I'll be taking to donate to the Cancer Association for them to make a wig for a cancer patient.
Why Selina comes to Sandro hairdressing.
It's a very weird angle, but it's a nice massage.
Since he was born, like, the kids been in and out of hospitals, so he's back in hospital now.
Okay, so my camera stopped working. We obviously not gonna get the grey silver in one sitting, but I don't think I want it anymore. I like how natural this color flows, and it's a little bit shorter than I wanted, but I am really feeling this hair, guys. I can't wait to see the end result. I love it a lot.
After the good lady. Of course. Make yourselves comfortable.
Bobby. I told them they're under. Look at it in the wind. I think it's safe to say that the hair is everything.